I just received this bag. It feels really good. The fabric texture, waterproof. So there's a lot of pockets. You can keep all of your stuff inside. It's really big inside. I really like the material. So you can keep your things here. It's like for the water. You can keep your luggage. Keep your luggage. This one materials are breathable, really soft, comfortable to wear. It's like it's really hard. It's really big inside, so you can keep your things. For example, water. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So much place inside. Oh, you can keep your laptop here. So it's big. There's USB port for your power bank. You can charge it right here. It's really good, really comfortable to use. So there is a place for your ties. It goes really easy. It's easy and comfortable to handle it.